ECAN-401 can be achieved by directional conversion between CAN and RS-485, RS-422, RS-232 serial ports. This video will start from how to connect the adapter, explain the simple debugging of the upper computer configuration and converter. Debugging requires an ECAN-401 device to simulate the CAN bus, and need to use RS-485 to USB devices, and RS-232 to USB devices. Here is an E810 converter developed by Billionaire. It meets both USB to RS-232 and RS-485. The first step: download ECAN-401 upper computer. Find ECAN-401 on the official website of DeviceNet. Find DeviceNet configuration tool relevant downloads. Click to download. Physical connections. ECAN-401 converter CAN_L and CAN_H respectively, CAN_L and CAN_H of CAN bus. RS-485 configuration connection is: the A and B interfaces of the E810 converter are connected to the A and B interfaces of ECAN-401 respectively. RS-232 configuration connection method is TXD, RXD, GND of DB9 communication terminals. RXD, TXD, and GND connected to E810 respectively. A DB9 conversion board needs to be used here. Convenient connection to E810. Check circuit after connecting. Plug in the adapter. Support DC 8-28V wide voltage. Seeing the indicator light PWR on startup successfully. Debugging demonstration. Open the upper computer software. RS-232 and RS-485 can be configured with ECAN-401 converter. Choose RS-485 serial port here. Before opening the serial port, determine the serial port parameters first. The default serial port parameter of the converter is 115,208N1. Open the serial port after setup. Click on the link device. After the connection is successful, you can see that the upper computer is divided into 5 major plates. Serial port parameters can be set separately. CAN bus settings, conversion orientation settings, conversion parameter settings and device filter settings. In the serial port parameter setting, the baud rate is the baud rate when setting the connection adapter. CAN bus settings. You can set the baud rate received or sent by the CAN bus. The baud rate using ECAN-401 to simulate CAN bus is 250K. Then you need to set the baud rate to 250K. In the conversion orientation setting, let's set it in both directions. Convert mode and choose transparent mode. Filter is set to receive all settings. After completing the setup, click Write Settings. Click Restart to complete the configuration of ECAN-401 by the upper computer. Open CANopen software. Test with RS-485 serial port first. The baud rate is 115,200. Open the serial port. We send any data at will. It can be seen that the U01 upper computer received the same data. Send any data with U01. Receive the same data in CANopen software. RS-232 has the same method. Change the serial port to RS-232 in CANopen software. Open the serial port. The same method uses CANopen software and ECAN-401 to send data respectively. Observe 2 windows. Product summary. ECAN-401 is a fully functional converter. Multiple conversion modes in the development of CAN bus products and data analysis applications. Extremely cost-effective, it is an engineering application. Reliable assistant for project debugging and product development.